In this video, we're going to go over some strategies to help grow your YouTube channel to reach more people. Let's go. Hey guys, this is AJ the CEO. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, thanks for stopping by. And on this channel, we focus on tips, training, strategies, reviews, and builds to help modernize your media ministry. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I'm all about reaching more through technology and showing that any church can live stream. But it's one thing to be able to start live streaming and just throw stuff up there, but you need to have a strategy in how you do it. That is what's going to make you more effective and be able to reach more, instead of you just being another random person just throwing up a camera and live streaming to YouTube, Facebook, or whatever place that you want to do. Now, I'm going to be focusing on YouTube on this one, but I want to help show you some of the strategies that I'm implementing with the churches, my home church, as well as churches that I consult with to help reach more. So let's go through a lot of the stuff. Now, the way the algorithm works in YouTube is the more popular something is, it's going to reach more people. That's just the way it works. When you start watching a certain amount of videos on YouTube, YouTube is collecting information about you and your viewing habits. So it has already cataloged every single video that's going into YouTube based on its title, its tags, its description, and the people who are watching it. So what it's doing is, the more and more you watch on YouTube, it will start serving up and suggesting more videos to you that are similar to your liking. So that's what we want to do from a church standpoint. We want our videos to be able to be suggested to more people. So how do we do that? First, strategy number one is, whether it just starts with you want to at least get 5 people to do this. What you want to do is, every YouTube video that you're posting, you want at least those 5 people to make sure they are liking it, make sure they're subscribed to it as well. So like the video, subscribe to your channel, and then also share it on multiple social media sites. Not spamming people, just sharing. It's just like if you are sharing that video on Facebook to everybody. No one's gonna get offended, because it's your right to share whatever. The reason we're doing this is a trigger that YouTube uses to signify that this video is getting some traction. Because first off, you got people liking the video. Another thing, let me add that too. So you're liking the video, subscribe to the channel, sharing it, and leaving a comment. All of those are tags to show that this video is trending, it's doing well, people are liking it. So out of those 5 people, you have 5 people who are doing all those things. Those are interaction triggers to YouTube for your video. So naturally, what it's going to do, it's going to suggest to those 5 people similar videos like that. But the algorithm works backwards as well too, meaning that it's not just looking at you and your habits and bringing more videos to you. It's noticing your type of habits in the videos you're watching and suggesting similar videos to people who follow the same characteristics as you. So now it's you and those other 5 people have now given the algorithm more information to find additional people like you and those 5 people to suggest your liked video, your church video, to them. So again, step number 1 is you get at least 5 people to be dedicated to every video that your church serves, whether it be a live stream, whether it be video announcements, whatever type of content that's coming from your church, the sermon by itself, whatever it is, to like every single video, put a comment on it. Doesn't have to be long, doesn't have to be drawn out like "good word, pastor," "oh, this blessed me," or whatever that you want. You do that type of comment, and then you want to share it on your social media. Whether you have one person that's dedicated to doing it to Twitter, one person on Facebook, or you can just have them do it all. It doesn't really hurt to share, because think about it, how many people on your page are sharing stuff with you, and you're ignoring it. Some people may see it, some people might not. It doesn't matter. It's all about a numbers game at this point. So that's what you want to do with 5 people. And that's kind of the phase 1 of what we want to work with. And you want to just get that down packed to where that's a habit that you're doing that over and over and over again. And the good thing is when you start with 5, you may be able to enlist more people, because organically growing without really doing anything on purpose, by your video being served up in front of more people, you will naturally grow off of, now you're getting more influence of people seeing a suggested video to them, and you might just like it. They might like it, they may share it, they may subscribe, and it's gonna grow based off of that. That's just phase 1 of what you're doing, but that little step is so much more than the average church is doing right now. So again, you want to get a group of 5 people. You want to like every video. Make sure those people have subscribed to your channel. Then you also want to share that video and then comment on the video. That's it. You just want to, that literally takes 5 seconds to do. It's not a long drawn out thing. And each week you want to try and grow that number by 1 additional person. Shoot, if all 5 of them just asked 1 other person, you're going to be growing like crazy. What you want to do is get to the point where you're at least getting around 50 people doing that on a consistent basis, to where now you're going to have 50 likes, 50 comments, 50 shares going out every single video that you post. That is huge, and the algorithm is going to be kicking in to say that this is fire, whatever is going on with this channel, and it's going to start serving that up. And now you're giving 50 data points to YouTube's algorithm to say, these are 50 people I can find similar people to serve this video to, and vice versa. So really, that's straightforward. That's phase 1. Make sure you catch phase 2 and the multiple other videos that are tied into a church YouTube growth strategy. So if you like this type of video, guys, I would really appreciate a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. That way you get notified when we come out with new videos. This is AJ, and we will see you on the next video. Later.